question. Have you ever walked into a restaurant, sat down, and then the waiter came over and said, "Hi, what can I get for you?" And your mind just went completely blank?
Oh, yes, you're looking at the menu, you kinda know what you want, but suddenly you don't know how to order it in English.
Or maybe the waiter asks a follow-up question. How would you like that cooked? Or would you like that with fries or salad? And you just stare at them.
It's such a common situation, and it can feel really embarrassing, even though it doesn't need to be.
Because the truth is, ordering food at a restaurant in English is actually very simple once you know the right phrases.
And today, we are going to teach you exactly those phrases, real English conversation practice for eating out, from the moment you sit down to the moment you ask for the bill.
By the end of this episode, you will walk into any restaurant and order your food confidently and naturally. Welcome to Speak English Easily.
The podcast where you learn real English for real life.
I'm John.
And I'm Lisa, and we are so glad you're here practicing with us today.
This is your daily English conversation practice, and today's real-life English situation is one you will use again and again: eating at a restaurant.
Whether it's a casual lunch place, a nice dinner, or even a cafe, knowing how to speak English confidently in a restaurant makes the whole experience so much more enjoyable.
No stress, no guessing, just clear, natural English. Let's get into it. Okay, Lisa, let's set the scene for today.
Yes, so imagine this. It's a Saturday afternoon. You decide to try a nice restaurant in town. You walk in alone, get seated, and the staff member comes to your table.
This is where most English learners get a little nervous. What do you say when you need more time? How do you ask about the menu? What if you want to know about a dish before you order?
All of those moments we are covering today. This is real-life English, and it happens every time you eat out.
So today, we're listening to Alex and Sarah. Alex is the customer visiting a restaurant called the Green Table for the first time. Sarah is the staff member taking care of him today.
Listen carefully to how Alex orders his food, asks questions about the menu, and responds naturally to Sarah throughout the meal. These are phrases you can use immediately in real life.
Pay close attention. You are going to want to remember these. Here are Alex and Sarah.
Hi there. Welcome to the Green Table. Just one for lunch today?
Hi, yes, just me today, please.
Of course. Let me show you to a table. Right this way. Here you go. Is this okay for you?
Perfect, thank you. Oh, lovely spot by the window.
Great. My name is Sarah, and I'll be taking care of you today. Can I start you off with something to drink?
Could I get a still water to start, please?
Absolutely. Still water coming right up. Here is your menu. Take your time, and I'll be back in a moment.
Thank you.
A few minutes later. Here's your water. Are you ready to order, or do you need a little more time?
I think I'm almost ready. Actually, could I ask you something about the menu?
Of course. What would you like to know?
I'm looking at the grilled salmon. Does it come with vegetables, or do I need to order those separately?
Great choice. The grilled salmon comes with seasonal vegetables and your choice of either rice or mashed potatoes.
Oh, lovely. And is the portion quite big?
It's a generous portion, yes. Most people find it very filling.
Perfect. Okay, I'll go with the grilled salmon, please, and I'll have the mashed potatoes.
Excellent choice. And would you like any starters? We have a really lovely garlic bread today. It's freshly baked.
Oh, that does sound good. Yes, I'll have the garlic bread, please.
Wonderful. So that's one grilled salmon with mashed potatoes and one garlic bread. Is there anything else I can get you?
Actually, could I also get some extra napkins, please?
Of course. I'll bring those right over. I'll get your order in now.
Thank you so much, Sarah.
A little while later. Here's your garlic bread, freshly baked and still hot. Enjoy.
Oh, wow. That smells amazing. Thank you.
Let me know if you need anything at all. After a short while. And here's your grilled salmon with mashed potatoes. Be careful, the plate is a little warm. Enjoy your meal.
Oh, this looks absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much.
My pleasure. Is there anything else I can get you?
No, I think I'm all set. Thank you, Sarah.
After eating. How was everything? Did you enjoy your meal?
It was absolutely delicious. The salmon was so fresh and the mashed potatoes were perfect.
That's so lovely to hear. I'll pass that on to the kitchen. Can I get you anything else? Perhaps a look at the dessert menu?
It's very tempting. I hesitate. What would you recommend?
Our chocolate lava cake is very popular. A lot of people say it's the best part of the meal.
Oh no, now I have to try it. Okay, yes, I'll have the chocolate lava cake, please.
Great choice. I'll bring that right out. After dessert.
That was incredible. Everything was just wonderful today.
I'm so glad to hear that. Thank you so much. Can I get you anything else, or would you like the bill?
Just the bill, please.
Of course. I'll bring that right over.
Thank you, Sarah. You've been really great today.
Thank you so much. It was a pleasure having you. I hope to see you again soon.
Definitely. I'll be back for sure.
Oh, that felt so real. I could picture that whole situation perfectly.
Right? And did you notice Alex was polite, clear, and confident the whole time? He asked questions when he needed to, and Sarah answered everything naturally.
That is exactly what real-life English looks like. Okay, let's break down the most useful phrases from that conversation.
First, Alex said, "Could I get a still water to start, please?" This is the perfect way to order a drink. Using "could I get" is polite and natural, much better than just saying "water, please."
Yes, could I get is one of the most useful phrases for any restaurant situation. Could I get the menu? Could I get some more water? Use it every time.
Next, Alex asked, "Does it come with vegetables, or do I need to order those separately?" Don't be afraid to ask questions about the menu. This is completely normal, and waiters are always happy to help.
Exactly. You can also ask, does it come with bread, or is the sauce included? Simple, direct, and very useful in daily English conversation.
Then, when Sarah recommended the garlic bread, Alex said, "Oh, that does sound good." This is a natural way to agree with the suggestion. "That sounds good," or "that does sound good." The word "does" adds a little extra enthusiasm.
Yes, you can use it anywhere. That sounds perfect. That does sound delicious. It makes your response feel warm and genuine. Oh, that felt so real. I could picture that whole situation perfectly.
All right, challenge time.
Same format as always. We give you the situation, you pause and think, then John gives the model answer. Ready?
Challenge 1. The staff member comes to your table and asks what you would like to drink. You want a still water and a little more time to read the menu. What do you say? Pause 2 seconds. You could say, "Could I get a still water, please? And could I get a few more minutes to look at the menu?"
Perfect, polite, and clear. Challenge 2.
You want to order the pasta, but you're not sure if it comes with bread. How do you ask? Pause 2 seconds. You could say, "I'd like the pasta, please. Could I ask, does it come with bread?"
Great. Always okay to ask. Last one, challenge 3.
You finished your meal, it was delicious. The staff member asks how everything was. What do you say? Pause 2 seconds. You could say, "It was absolutely delicious, thank you. Everything was perfect. Could I get the bill, please?"
Yes, confident, warm, and completely natural. That is how you speak English easily at any restaurant. Before we go, I just want to say something important.
Go ahead, Lisa. Thinking.
Eating out in English might seem like a small thing, but for a lot of learners, it's actually a moment that feels very stressful. You worry about pronunciation, you worry about not understanding the answer.
And if that's you, I want you to know the staff member is there to help you. They are not judging your English. They just want to make sure you have a great experience.
So speak clearly, be polite, and don't ever be afraid to say, "I'm sorry, could you repeat that please?" That is completely normal and perfectly fine.
Every time you use English in a real situation, at a restaurant, at a shop, anywhere, you are building real confidence. That is daily English conversation practice in action.
Keep going. Keep practicing. You are doing so much better than you think. And every single time you try, you get better. And that's a wrap on today's episode of Speak English Easily.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us today. It really means a lot.
If this episode helped you, please subscribe to Speak English Easily. We post new English conversation practice episodes every week, all designed for real-life English situations just like this one.
And leave us a comment. Tell us what's the most difficult thing about speaking English at a restaurant for you. We would love to know.
Or share this episode with a friend who is also working on their English speaking practice. Practice together. It's so much more fun.
Until next time, keep practicing, stay confident, and remember,
Speaking English easily is not a dream. It's just a habit.
see you in the next episode.
Bye for now.